You know, this client, she just came and she said that she doesn't get this thing about Louise and how everyone can have everything because she sees that it's possible for others but not for her. And I told her that it's also about what we believe we deserve and how our ideas around what we can have and cannot have. And if we actually identify those limiting beliefs and release them, we can also have what we want, and in fact we'll even be inspired to take the right action which will bring to us whatever it is that we want, right?
Yeah, that's very right. In fact, what Louise also says is that the universe has already created everything that we want, and it's all there all around us. We have to open our consciousness, we have to expand our thinking to be able to allow that to come into our lives, because there's really an abundance of everything, and it's our own limiting thought, limiting belief that stops us from having all that is available for us to have.